5 tens minus 2 tens leaves 3 tens.
What exactly she is moving. Here is our baseline rule. Every closed, banded bundle of acorns represents a whole group of 10. Visualizing these unified bundles stops us from counting by single ones and allows us to see the higher-level structure of tens. At the first obstacle on the shelf, we start with 5 bundles of 10. Remove 2 bundles. 3 bundles remain, which is 30. 50 minus 20 equals 30. Removing whole bundles proves subtracting multiples of 10 works exactly like basic subtraction, merely scaled up. Up on the ledge, the starting amount is 7 bundles of 10. Remove 3 bundles. 4 bundles remain, which is 40. 70 minus 30 equals 40. This repeating pattern shows the structural rules of mathematics remain constant even as the starting numbers increase.
9 tens minus 4 tens leaves 5 tens.
Higher in the canopy loft, we find 9 bundles of 10. If 4 are taken away, how many remain? Remove 4 bundles. 5 bundles remain, which is 50. 90 minus 40 equals 50. This demonstrates your readiness to apply this thinking to tens and ones. We arrive at the final obstacle, the tens thinking racks, starting with a base of 8 bundles. We remove 5 bundles. Let's look closely at what these numbers are. 80 is 8 tens, and 50 is 5 tens. 8 tens minus 5 tens is 3 tens. 3 tens is 30. 80 minus 50 equals 30, because 8 tens minus 5 tens is 3 tens. Treating these values as groups of tens allows you to use the same quick subtraction logic you use with single digits.
8 tens minus 5 tens leaves 3 tens.